Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today's question is to obtain abundant blessings, abundant grace of the Supreme Lord. How should be our behavior? The final, the ultimate stage of our spiritual practice is union with the divine, experiencing infinite bliss and peace. This is called samadhi. In Jnana Yoga, the path of wisdom, it is called Nirvikalpa Samadhi state. In Bhakti Yoga, the path of devotion, it is called Savikalpa Samadhi state. In both cases, to attain this state, God's grace is must. Therefore, to attain the ultimate spiritual goal of our life, first we have to acquire abundant God's grace. For this, Bhagavan Sri Krishna shows the path. He says, Adveshta sarva bhutanam maitra karuna evacha nirmamo nirahankaraha samadukha sukha kshami. Adveshta sarvabhutanam maitraha karuna evacha. Here Bhagavan says, one who is not jealous, not hatred, but is a kind friend to all living beings. One who does not think himself as a doer, as a karta. One who is free from false ego. One who is compassionate to all creatures. One who is equal in happiness and sorrow. One who is tolerant. One who is self-controlled and always satisfied. A person with above qualities is a dearest devotee of the Lord, so that he can easily obtain the abundant blessings of the Supreme Lord. Here our Shastra says, without any least discrimination, each and every human being have equal right and opportunity to develop these qualities and to become dearest devotee of the Lord. So, all of you must develop these behaviors to obtain the abundant blessings of the Lord, thereby to attain the ultimate goal in your spiritual life. This is the Hitopadesha for the day. Sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.